man. Flight 3 souls on board, hour 30 on fuel. Show you a dispatch number at 941379. Show you right to the airport at 1025.
Alright, flight control CG normal. Power's good. Fuel's good. Instruments are good. Hover check is complete. Tail clear right.
Good, clear right.
Coming right. Alright, clear left, right, and above.
Clear left.
Clear right.
Coming up.
Warning, obstacle. Warning, obstacle. Warning, obstacle. Warning, obstacle. Warning, obstacle. Warning, obstacle.
Coming left.
Obstacle.
Good on the left.
Warning, obstacle.
We're heading inbound for TAC Air South, sir, and we are squawking